Hey there, this is Rob from 8791 Networks, and this is part 6 of Affiliate Marketing for Beginners series, which we're doing here. And this is the sales page and process flow example. So what I'm going to do here is a general overview of the vendor sales page and actually show you what one of my campaigns looks like through this entire process flow. So if you've watched any of my prior videos here, you've seen this page repeatedly. So where we're at now is we're here at the sales page. So in prior videos we talked about this content, the landing page, opt-in page, thank you page, emails, autoresponders, and now we're at this point here in the sales funnel where we're hitting the sales page. So what this is this is actually the vendors page, and this is what provides the ability for the customer to review and purchase that vendor's content. It could be a product, a service, etc. So the ultimate goal is to really work through that sales funnel to get to this sales page so that the customer can get what they're looking for. Any link that sends a customer to the sales page needs to be an affiliate link. Otherwise, you won't get credit for the sale if one happens. Now, in my flow, you'll see that I sort of connotate that by these red arrows. So when you get the presentations, you can sort of see that anytime you send a customer to a sales page, it should be through an affiliate link or a tracking code. So at the end of the day, focus on that customer, figure out how to meet their needs. Now, in a prior video, I think video 2, you can go back and reference that. This is essentially a re-review of the vendor sales page. Now, in that case, I showed you this diabetes page. I'll go ahead and do it, but some general suggestions on picking a sales page in ClickBank, especially. This is sort of what this example is. It has a gravity between 0 and 60, much over 60, and there's a lot of people promoting it, which means you're going to have a lot more competition for that particular vendor's product. So somewhere between 0 and 60 is a pretty good benchmark. It has affiliate tools so that you can get good content to be able to send people to the sales page. Solves an immediate concern. At this point, I'd recommend going back and taking a look at that video in the series. So what does one of these sales pages look like? I'll go ahead and click this, and you can see, again, this is the one that I showed in an earlier video about diabetes. So in this case, it has a video. There's no additional text, but you do have a link here to read the transcript if you want. And you can see there's quite a big slider here, a lot of information that they go through. So that is what an example sales page looks like. And in this case, somewhere down here, you can see they start actually selling you on the price, what you're going to get, some additional upsells, etc. So let's go back to the presentation. Now, what I want to show you is an example campaign. This is sort of bringing everything together now. So if you've watched my previous 5 videos, you want to know how they all sort of fit together. What I have here is an actual example of some pay-per-click ads I've run, some of the advertising, how all either Facebook ads, website or blog posts, Pinterest pins, pay-per-clicks all feed to this landing page here. And what's going on? So here is the particular landing page. So now, what happens at this point? So if someone clicks this button here, they actually get taken to a ClickBank sales page for success stories. If someone clicks this learn more, they get taken to the long copy text page. If someone clicks the get my e-report or the opt-in, 2 things happen. 1, they get taken to a thank you page where they can download this free report over here. And then 2, their information is captured and goes into my email list, which then generates an autoresponder with about 7 or 8 emails. And these emails then provide reminders of the program, providing more information to the sales page, and these link back to the video sales page. Now, when they click on my thank you page and they sign up, they not only get the free e-report, but they also get a link which takes them back to another sales page. Now, the other key here is part of why we give people free information is embedded within this e-report over here. If you can't follow my cursor, there are additional affiliate links which lead them back to the sales page. So you can see how everything at the end of the day is funneling them through to a sales page, hopefully then leading to this arrow, which is the order page. And at this point, this is where the customer orders the product, at which point you generate revenue. Now, if you're paying for clicks, you're going to have some type of cost. Ideally, you want to put your click at about 1% of what revenue you will get. So you're sort of banking on if 100 people make it to the sales page, and if one person orders, then you'll pretty much break even. Now, if more than one person out of 100 order, then you start to generate a profit. And again, you can adjust that as you want. But this is sort of an example campaign and how it all sort of works together, utilizing this full process we have here. And I recommend downloading the PowerPoint or the PDF file, going through, taking a look at this, and sort of understanding all the pieces needed. It's a lot more complex, but it's not hard. But there are steps to it that if you do them properly, you can generate that revenue and profit. This particular campaign here, so far in a couple weeks, I think I made about $160, $170 on it. Not a lot, but hey, it's working at the moment. So please like, subscribe. Again, the link to this presentation will be in the description below. Feel free to go ahead and download and keep that. And be on the lookout for the last video in the series. Part 7 is where to go from here. So now that you've learned all this, what is it that you're going to do? Thanks for watching.